Hey, what's going on everyone? Today's video I'm going to show you how to pair or connect the PT20 wireless earbuds, budget-friendly earbuds that looks like these. You probably got them from eBay or Amazon. And I want to show you how to connect them to an iPhone. And yes, it does work for the iPhone 10, iPhone 11 as well. That's the iPhone 7 here. So let's get started. So say you took them out of the case and they are not going into pairing mode. What you're going to do is first make sure they're off. And as they are off, you're going to long press both of them on the touch surface as you're turning it on. Hold it down until you see them blink like this, okay? And once they do that, one side will remain in the pairing state mode. And if you just pay attention to the other earbud, you'll notice there's this blue light flicker that comes out of it that happens like every 3 to 5 seconds. So just keep an eye on it. And that'll tell you right there, that'll tell you if it's connected with the other earbud because you want them to sync into each other and pair up both at the same time. Now with that said and done, let's go into our iPhone here. We'll go into the settings, the gear icon that says settings, and yes, it does work for iPhone 6 and 8 as well, since I didn't mention that earlier. So as you go into the settings, you'll go to where it says Bluetooth, turn that on. You'll see that, just tap on that one time, it will turn on, it will start searching for nearby devices, and then you'll see PT20. That's the name of the earbuds. Once you see that, tap on that once. And then of course it'll tell you it's connected. Now to know for sure if they're both connected, once again pay attention to the earbuds where the touch surface is. You'll see that blue light flickering every now and then on both of them. So make sure they're both doing that, just like that. Make sure they're both doing that. That means they're connected and you're good to go. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications if you're new to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next guide. See ya!